Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Got a cool little thing right here that might be useful for some of you all. I did have a buddy of mine test this out because he enjoys doing these things, and it did give a positive reading, so I do know that it works. It's a single drug screen test, and it is from Easy Home. Really cool, really easy to use. I used it on myself, and I don't do these things, and I got a negative reading, so obviously, based on that, I can vouch for it. Super easy to use. I mean, you just open it up. You get 5 in here, which is fantastic. That way, if you mess up or you need to try it again, you can do that. Right here is the little device. It's gonna have a little thing in here to keep it nice and safe. Nothing else in there. And then this bottom part here just comes off, and that is where your sample will go. Gives you the results in about 5 minutes, so very quick. That way, if you are pressed for time or whatever, you can do one of these and you'll know whether it's going to be positive or negative. Overall, like I said, it works. I had my buddy try it, and then I tried it, just for the control purposes, and it does work really well. So if you're interested in something like this, if you need something like this, go ahead, check this one out.